everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana Crehan, and today I'm joined by our brand manager from FMF, Stacey Humphries. Stacey, today we've got the Factory 4.1 muffler. This is for our serious racers.
Yeah, right. This is our top of the line exhaust. This is the very same style of exhaust used by professional riders on a global scale in supercross, motocross and enduro. FMF has spent a lot of time and R&D working with factory level teams such as KTM and Yamaha in really fine tuning and testing this exhaust to give it the maximum performance and power output possible.
Just explain to us how the performance is delivered through this exhaust.
So what you'll find with a Factory 4.1 is it really does improve that throttle response. There's a lot of weight savings gained because it's using a better construction. We've pulled one apart earlier just so you can see. The Factory 4.1 uses Resonance Chamber Technology. So that technology is found not only externally but internally. The chamber on the inside is using a step up, step down construction, and that assists with the volume and performance output of this exhaust. The Factory 4.1 is actually quite a lot shorter than your standard OEM exhaust, and that helps to prevent damage to your bike because it's not sticking out as much. And it also allows the exhaust to be brought in closer to your motor, which centralizes the mass and provides better stability and performance for your motorcycle.
And just run us through the construction of this exhaust.
So the Factory 4.1 is available in two different constructions. You have stainless steel. All you have in front of us is the aerospace-grade titanium anodized blue, and the construction on the end caps are available in stainless steel, titanium, or the carbon end cap that you can see today.
And what do you recommend for fitment for this exhaust?
For maximum performance for the Factory 4.1, we strongly recommend that you pair it with an FMF header in either the Power Bomb or Mega Bomb, just depending on what application you're after. That will give it the maximum horsepower and of course that real great FMF sound.
Thank you so much, Stacey. If you'd like any more information on the FMF Factory 4.1 muffler, head to your local AMX Superstore, or of course the information is there for you on the website.